guys, welcome. In today's video I am going to solve the exercise which we had discussed in previous video. What did the exercise say? The exercise said that first we have to ask user his or her name, and then we have to make a program using for loop that counts each alphabet present in the name, and then we have to print the output like this. Alright, now in this video I am going to solve this exercise. Alright, now let's get started. First we have to ask user to input his her name. Alright, now I am using input function here. Enter your name. Alright, now and then we have to create a temporary variable. Alright, suppose this temp called temporary variable and it is empty. Alright, in next step we will discuss that why we create this empty variable, and then we have to use the for condition because we have to use for loop here. Alright, it is the demand of this exercise, and then I am using I variable in for loop, and the range we have to select, we can select the range len of the name that user entered, the length of the name of the len that user entered. Alright, now and inside the for loop we have to use if condition, that name with index I not in temp. Alright, the temp is empty, that is why we are using here temp, that any alphabet must not be present in temp variable. This is why if the A is repeated or T is repeated, any alphabet is repeated, so it counts correctly. That is why we have to use temp variable here. Alright, now I am using print condition, and I am to print the name, I am using a string formatting, name I. Alright, now I have to we have to show input like this, so we have to now we can do count function here. That count method will help us to count the alphabet. Wait a second, name dot count. Alright, it is correct, and then we have to use name with string formatting I. It is now complete, and then we have to add temp variable with name I. Okay, now review this program, that what I did, that after using the for loop I am using if condition, and if condition checks that each alphabet one by one must not be present in temp variable. Then under if statement I am using string formatting to print each alphabet with their total number. Alright, now and then after printing I am incrementing and adding each alphabet in temp variable, so if all the alphabets will add, so if condition will false and loop will break. Alright, now if I run this program, you can see it is asking my name. Suppose I enter and press enter, you can see here U is 1, M is 1, A is 2, and even it counts the gap here. Alright, that we discussed that it must count gap here, and it is same as it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.